everyone. This is your environmental studies period. Student, today we will start new chapter. Chapter number 20. The name of the chapter is We Need Water. So everyone know, like air, water is very important for us. We cannot live without water. Can you imagine if there is no water you can survive? No, students, no. So water is very basic need of our life. Students, in the previous video, we have learnt about air. You know, air is very important for us. Like air, water is also essential for all living things. We cannot live without water. All living things need water. We need water for drinking. We drink water? Yes. We need water for bathing. And we need water for cooking. Now see some more uses of water. We need water for washing clothes. We need water for cleaning utensils. And we need water also for construction work. When we make buildings, houses, then we need water. So, you know, plants also need water. Okay, we have to see. Students, like human beings, plants also need water. Plants need water for what? For making food. Plants take water with the help of roots and then take this water for transporting minerals and food to their different parts. And with the help of water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, plants get from where carbon dioxide? From the air. And then take these things, plants prepare food and gives oxygen. In this process, when carbon dioxide intake by the plants releases oxygen for us, for environment, and take all carbon dioxide from the environment. So in the next picture, in the next video, student, you have to see there are some animals. They use water for drinking. It means we use water, plants use water, and animal also use water for drinking and bathing. See these videos. You have to see how animals enjoy with water, how they play, how they bath, and some animals drinking water. So plants and animals and human beings all need water. Students, can you tell me one thing? From where we get this water? You know water is essential, but can you guess from where we get this water? So we read about this sources of water. From where we get the water? So rain. Rain is the main source of water on earth. Rain, rivers and lakes. They also a big source of water. And in our house, we get water from the taps. Okay, you have to see there are taps. So rain is the main source of water on earth. River and lakes are the other source of water. Now to see many more sources of water. But main thing, rain is the main source of water. Rain. Okay. Let's see some more sources. Students, you know water in most river travel a long distance and finally it goes into the sea. In this picture, we have to see well, hand pump and tube well. So, we can say we get water below the ground. From the under the ground we get water. And how we get water? This groundwater by the help of well, hand pumps and tube wells. So water, so well, tube well and hand pump are the source of underground water. You know, water present below the earth's surface is called groundwater. The water which um, found under the earth is called groundwater, and this groundwater we get through the well, kuan, and this is hand pump, and this is tube well. Come to the next. So student, one question is that, do you know water present below the earth's surface is groundwater? After learning the sources of water, we come to the next heading, forms of water. In your book, there is a heading, forms of water. So student, tell me, do you know what is forms of water? So I will tell you. Forms of water. Water exists in three form, means the water which we get in three forms. तीन तरीके से water हो सकता है, तीन तरीके होते हैं. First one is solid, liquid and gas. So water forms in, we found the water that is in three forms, solid, liquid and gas. The water which we have to use for drinking, so that is the liquid form. The water which we use for drinking, that is the liquid form. If you take this liquid water in the refrigerator for a hour, then you have to see after 1 hour this water which we put in the fridge becomes in solid shape. It becomes ice. Okay. If we drink this water and put in the stove in any bowl, then after some time, the water becomes in vapor form. It is the form of gas. So water exists in three forms, solid, liquid and gas. Ice is the solid form. Water we drink is liquid and water vapor is gas. So there is three forms of water. Okay. Now student, in this video you have to see there are some water vapor. You have to see water vapor in winters, in the glasses of car. There are some water there. Okay. So that is the vapor. And it means water vapors, when water vapors cool down, it becomes form of water. So you have to know. One more question, one more query for you. Do you know who brings rain? Yes, cloud bring rain. Clouds bring rain. When water vapors go upward and it cool down, then they come out in the form of rain. Now come to the next heading, cleaning water. So student, water is very essential for us, but nowadays water become polluted. So how we use this polluted water for drinking? It is not possible na ki we drink dirty water. So it is essential to, we have to clean the water for drinking. We should always remember, we should always use clean water for drinking. Sometimes water may seem clean, but it contains germs in it. So स्टूडेंट कभी कभी हमें पानी एकदम साफ दिखता है बट उसके अंदर जर्म्स होते हैं. सो वी कैन क्लीन water by boiling. After boiling we get clean and pure water. And nowadays in these modern days we have some water filters, aquaguard and RO, that from that we clean our water for drinking. So now you know water is very essential. So if we use lot of water, then one day it may be possible the water is finished. Then how we survive? So it is essential to save the water. So our next heading is Friends, it is very necessary to save the water. So our next heading is saving water. If we waste water, then one day what happen? There is no water, then how will we survive? So it is necessary from today we have to save the water. We should never waste water because water is essential for us. Water is very precious for us. Without water, we cannot survive. If we use a lot of water and waste it, then one day there is no water. So, students, there are some habits. If we follow these habits, we save a lot of water. If we follow these habits, so first one is use bucket while taking bath and avoid using showers. Because of this method, the water is lot of water waste. Then, while brushing your teeth, keep the tap closed. Don't leave the tap running when brushing your teeth. So, lots of water is wasting. Okay, so close the tap. And next, if there is any leakage in your taps, so you have to ask your parents to get the leaking taps repaired. Okay, see, a lots of water wastage. While pouring water in the glass for drinking, take only as much water you can drink. So student, don't leave the tap running while washing hands. Okay. Now come to the next. So students, at the end of the chapter, you have understood how water is important for us, how water is precious for us, how we save the water, and this is the things to remember. So, water is needed for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, and planting. Means uses of water. And how we get the water? So, we get water through the rain. Rain is the main source of water. Rivers and lakes and well for underground water. Okay. So, here rivers and lakes are the other source of water. And the third and very important point is there are three forms of water. Solid is the form of ice, liquid means water, and vapors are the gaseous form of water. Student, one more thing you have to remember there, we should save the water. We should save the, not even a single drop you have to waste the water, not even a single drop. If you want to drink water, then you take that, only that water which you have to take. ओके मतलब आपको उतना ही पानी लेना चाहिए जितना आपको पीना है ओके सो at the last, I ask you one thing. You have to save the water. Save water. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you, student. Now your course is completed. This is the last chapter of your course, EVS course. You have to learn all things, and at the end of the chapter, at the end of the course, we want to say something that water is very precious. You have to save the water and don't waste the water, and ask your parents also to save the water. So learn it, and next video I am giving you a worksheet. Okay, means exercise of your book. So once again, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.